Jeez, this property. Huh?
Like you didn't.
You see this property?
No.
You've not been down there?
No, I haven't.
Yeah, are you gonna open? Oh, you open already?
They're busy. It's full of honey.
Are they angry?
Good.
I see. I see the ants are big, huh?
Okay, open. Open. Stop. Careful. Make sure the queen is not there. Nice and properly.